see the power of dynamic AI responses within a chatbot. So what does that mean? A chatbot should be able to remember the conversation history of a particular customer, and it should be able to collect any customer detail at any point of the conversation, and also a particular customer should be able to update their contact information without any issues at any point of the conversation. So these are some of the features when it comes to having dynamic AI responses within a chatbot. So you can easily achieve this using our free template. So here, if we go to the flows over here, and let me locate the free templates over here, all free templates, and here using this particular AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support template, you can actually generate dynamic AI responses to collect customer information and also to update the customer information, and also it can simply remember the conversation history of a particular customer as well. So here this is the particular free template, and here we already have some information about a particular company right here. So if you want to build one for your company, you can simply update whatever the information related to your company right here. So here in terms of lead generation, we actually collecting the customer's name, email and phone number. You collect other customer details as well, but let's just focus on these three details for now. So here this is the information is actually about a roofing company right here. So let me actually create a sample website chatbot and show you how the dynamic responses are generated right here. And if you want to actually send the customer information right here to Google Sheet, we can also do that. So let's actually connect this particular Google Sheet right here. So to do that, you have to settings over here, and in settings, integrations, open Google Sheet over here, and here you have to connect your Google Sheet, and once done, click on manage. So there you can actually add your spreadsheets there. So let me copy the particular link over here and paste it, and copy the name as well and paste it as well. Continue. So we have actually added this particular spreadsheet over here. So from now onwards, we can simply send any sort of lead information to this particular spreadsheet you see right here. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go to the auto marketing tools over here and open triggers and action. So every time a particular email or phone number field is updated, I want to send that information right here. So even if the customer changes their email, it will get updated right here as well. So let me do that. So let me say dynamic Google Sheets, and here if a custom field changed, if the email changed, or if the phone number field is changed, I want to update the Google Sheet. So here Google Sheet, use update row, and this is the dynamic responses. So this is the sheet, and here the sheet is one right here. So let me choose a sheet one, and here I want to update any information based on the user ID. Simple as that. So here you can simply choose the user ID here and the full name here, and here you can choose the email and phone number and click save, and here click save, and make sure to activate this one as well. So every time a particular custom field such as a phone number changed or email changed, the information will be automatically updated right here. So here the business information on this particular free template is related to this particular roofing company. So let's create a web chat bot on the same name as well. Paste it. So here you can do tons of customization. I am not going to do that. I'm just changing the name right here, and let me click save. And here let me grab the code over here. So you can simply install this particular code on your website to have a website chat widget right there. So let me actually go to the flows over here, and let's create a landing page. Landing page tool. So let's imagine this is your website. So yes, let's say this is your website, and here you can simply add your code, which I just copied. Simple as that. And here let me click on publish over here, preview this one. So this is how it looks like. So if I click on this chat widget, it will actually show the chat window right here. So if I send a message hi, and let's see what happens, it should actually respond to us right here. So if I go to the omnichannel inbox right here, we should see a guest chat is started, and since this particular person is chatting on a website or a web page, we don't know their name, email or phone number. So now let's see how this dynamic AI responses works over here. So here let me actually ask a question. How can I get updated news or about your business? So here I send a message, how can I get updated news all about your business? So it simply push them to sign up for the newsletter, where we actually ask them for their full name, email and phone number. So let's play around with these dynamic responses over here. So here I'm going to just provide the email address over here. For example, let me say I'm not just going to just type as like my email, this is my email or something like that. I'm going to say, hey, my email is test1@gmail.com. So here I am just saying my email is test1@gmail.com. Let's see what happens. It should actually ask the remaining two details. That is how the power of dynamic responses works here. So it simply asks to provide the full name and the phone number as well. So let me actually provide these two details right here. So here I'm just saying you can call me at this particular phone number, and I provide the name John Justin here. Simple as that. Let's see what happens over here. So it should actually capture the customer name and the phone number as well, and it simply says, thank you John Justin, you are now subscribed to our newsletter. So now if I go to the Google Sheet, we should see this particular information already sent right here. And if I go to the inbox and refresh this inbox right here, we should see the updated customer detail right here. So this is test one, this is the number, and this is the name. So now let's say if a particular customer says they want to change the email address. So let me say, can you please change my email address to test2@gmail.com. Right. So here it says I'm actually sending a request to the AI chatbot asking to change the email address to test2@gmail.com, even after I actually subscribed to this particular newsletter by providing name, email and phone number. So now let's see what happens. So it should actually update the email address on the file as test2@gmail.com. Let's see what sort of response we get. It says your email address has been updated to test2@gmail.com, and if I go to the Google Sheet, we should see the updated email address as here. And if I refresh this particular page again, it should actually show the updated email address as you see here. So this particular customer is actually already signed up for the newsletter. So if I send a message, I'm actually interested in signing up for your newsletter. Can you please share more details on how to sign up for your newsletter, please? So let me send this message and see what happens. So they actually signed up for the newsletter, and it simply says you are already signed up for a newsletter, John Justin, and will receive the latest update about our business. Oh, great. Actually, I have changed my phone number, so I want to update my phone number in the newsletter. Can you please tell me what phone number you have on file on my account? So let's ask what the phone number is there, and it says this is the phone number. As you see here, this is the phone number we have for this particular customer, so we can check that particular phone number in the inbox as well. So let's do some fun thing over here. Let me say my phone number last digit was changed to 0. Can you please update my phone number accordingly? So here I'm just saying my phone number's last digit was changed to 0. So now the last digit is 3, and asking the AI chatbot to update the phone number right here. And let's see what happens. It should update the phone number accordingly. So let's wait for the response, and it says your phone number has been updated to this particular number. So initially this is the phone number, ends with 3, and now it actually ends with 0. So now if I go to the Google Sheet right here, the phone number is updated, and if I refresh the inbox right here, you should see the updated phone number right here as well. So here you can also trigger specific email marketing or SMS marketing campaigns right here for the customer using the drip campaign feature in the auto marketing tools right here. So here, drip campaign: send a series of messages to your contacts over time to build engagement and guide them through the sales funnel. And here, at any point of the conversation, an agent can simply jump in and talk with the customer as well. For example, let's say, so I think I am talking to an AI chatbot. So can you please transfer this conversation to a human agent? So I'm going to send this message. So here, if you check, the bot is active for this particular contact. So now if I send this message, so I'm talking, I think I'm talking to an AI chatbot, so can you please transfer this to a human agent? Let's see what happens. It simply transfer the conversation and switch off the bot for this contact as well. It simply says, I have transferred your request to a human agent. They will get back to you as soon as possible, and the human agent will receive a notification as well. So now if I go to this particular inbox and let me refresh this one, and you should see the bot is active is already gone. And if I go to the human folder, we should see that particular conversation right here. So here, from the omnichannel inbox, a human agent can easily send any sort of messages to the customer, and they will receive it right here as well. And they can even send any sort of voice messages as well. So this is just a test voice message, and let me send it from the omnichannel inbox as a human agent, and they can actually receive it in right here. Simple as that. And this particular chatbot can actually works on other channels too, not just web chat. This can works on Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, and Telegram or Viber as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually use dynamic responses within your AI chatbot. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.